Stiff winds and dry conditions are helping to spread wildfires across a number of counties in Texas. 2 firefighters have been hurt. Officials say flames have destroyed at least 24 buildings and consumed about 2,000 acres of fields. But so far, no fatalities have been reported. Governor Rick Perry has activated the state's emergency center. More than half of the state's 252 counties are under a burn ban. Officials say aerial efforts to combat the fires will intensify as soon as the winds die down. In the Fort Worth area, officials say downed power lines have caused a number of fires, and power is out for tens of thousands of homes and businesses. Flights at the Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport have been delayed by as much as an hour. Officials say strong winds have forced the airport to stop using several of its runways. Brian Thomas, The Associated Press.